Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Salinur Asia from class 2A, student ID number 248820333022. This video is my individual remedial assignment for the speaking course. Today, I will present chapter 3 of my research proposal entitled The Effectiveness of English Song Enhancing Listening Skill, a pre-experimental study at SMK 1 Gelang Kencana Garut. Let's begin. I will walk you through the research methodology of my proposal study. I'll explain the research design, participant, instrument, data collection, procedure, and how the data will be analyzed. Let's begin with the research design. This study employs a pre-experimental design, specifically a one-group pre-test post-test design. Because the school already has fixed classes, I cannot randomly assign students or use a control group. Instead, I will use one existing class as the experimental group. This group will take a pre-test, then they will receive the treatment using English song, and after the treatment they will take a post-test. This design allows me to see the treatment causes any significant difference in student listening skill. This research will be conducted at SMK 1 Gelang Kencana Garut. The research population is all 11 grade students. I choose one class purposefully and based on teacher recommendation as a sample consisting of 26 students. The selection was based on those who have a relatively homogeneous level of initial English listening experience. This means that the basic abilities of students in the group are relatively equal. The purposive sampling method is the most appropriate technique in this context because our goal is to examine the impact of the treatment on a specific and clearly defined group of vocational school students whose characteristics match the focus of our research. Two main instruments will be used to collect the data. The first is a listening test given us both pre-test and post-test, consisting of multiple choice and closed tasks using English song. For the pre-test, we use the song A Thousand Years by Christina Perri, and for the post-test, Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Selected based on their clear pronunciation and high familiarity. The second instrument is a student response questionnaire consisting of 10 items on a 4-point Likert scale to measure their learning motivation and perception. Both instruments were validated by an expert prior to administration. Now let me explain the data collection procedure step by step. The procedure is carried out in 3 main stages. In stage 1, the pre-test is administered to the 26 participants using the song A Thousand Years to assess their baseline listening skill. In stage 2, the treatment takes place over multiple class sessions where students engage in repeated listening, completing lyric gap fills, and guided comprehension discussion. And in the stage 3, the post-test is administered using the song Perfect to make sure the final improvement. in student listening performance. The data analysis is divided into two parts. The first, for the listening test scores, I will apply two methods and I will calculate the N-gain formula to make sure the educational meaningfulness and level of student score improvement. Then I will run a paired sample t-test using Microsoft Excel with a significant level of 0.05 to determine if the improvement between the pre-test and post-test is statistically significant. And the second, for the questionnaire data, I will use descriptive analysis. Each student total scores will be converted into a percentage of the ideal score to clearly interpret their overall level of response and motivation toward the learning medium. In conclusion, this chapter has outlined a clear and systematic methodology for investigating the effectiveness of English language song enhancing student listening skill. One group, pre-test and post-test, pre-experimental design, was deemed appropriate for this naturalistic classroom setting. To instrument a listening test and a student response questionnaire were carefully designed and validated to measure the target listening skill indicator and student effective responses. And the data collection follow a structured three-stage procedure. And the data were analyzed using the N-gain formula and the paired sample t-test for quantitative data. While descriptive analysis was employed for the questionnaire data, I'm confident that this methodology is feasible and robust enough to yield reliable findings. Thank you for your attention. I apologize for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.